There is a force in the zodiac that does not rush. It does not waver. It does not chase chaos, it tames it. This force is Taurus. Born between April 20th and May 20th, Taurus is the quiet storm, the unshakable foundation, the embodiment of patience and power. To some, they are stubborn. To others, they are the only ones who truly understand the art of lasting peace. But Taurus is more than what meets the eye. Ruled by Venus, Taurus is drawn to beauty, pleasure, and the finer things in life. But this is no fleeting indulgence. Taurus craves permanence, a love that does not fade, a home that feels like sanctuary, a success that stands the test of time. They are the architects of their own paradise, but they do not build in haste. Every brick is placed with purpose, every decision made with certainty. And when a Taurus says, "I am here," they mean it. Taurus is often called stubborn, but let's reframe that. This is not mindless resistance. It is resilience, determination. A Taurus does not quit because quitting is not in their nature. They endure. And in a world that shifts like sand, Taurus stands like stone. They are the friends who never betray, the lovers who do not falter, the dreamers who wake up and actually build what they envision. But even stone can crack, even the earth can shake. When Taurus clings too tightly to routine, to comfort, to a past that no longer serves them, they risk becoming trapped in a world of their own making. Change is not their enemy, but their greatest test. And when their patience runs out, when the storm inside them is unleashed, the world remembers why the bull is not to be provoked. Taurus is the keeper of stability, the guardian of beauty, the force that teaches us the value of patience and persistence. They do not rush to the future. They build it one steady step at a time. And if you are lucky enough to be loved by a Taurus, know this: their love, once given, is as immovable as the stars themselves.